Hello, I am Jade Monavi Sarte, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science, class of 2027. I am passionate about environmental sustainability and committed to promoting responsible environmental practices through research, community engagement, and conservation efforts. Throughout my academic journey, I developed skills in research, data collection, communication, teamwork, and environmental analysis through both academic and field experiences. I conducted fieldwork in Tubod, Surigao del Norte at Greenstone Resources Corporation, where I gained exposure to environmental practices in mining industry. I also visited Eco Park Waste Management in Tubay, Cabadbaran, where I learned about proper waste management systems and sustainability initiatives. In Sumili, Butuan City, I participated in community survey on human-macaque interaction under the UMACE project or Human Macaque Coexistence, which is a matching project led by Dr. Paz. This experience enhanced my ability to gather data, communicate effectively with local communities, and understand environmental concerns from community-based perspective. One of my significant achievements was actively participating in environmental fieldwork and community-based research projects, which strengthened my critical thinking, adaptability, and problem-solving skills in real-world environmental situations. I am eager to apply my knowledge, skills, and experience to meaningful opportunities that contribute to environmental sustainability and community development. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to contributing positively to your organization. Thank you.